Hello everybody, this is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a book of the Anatomy of the Ship series. This is the Schooner Bertha L. Dawson by Basil Greenhill and Sam Manning. The North American schooner Bertha L. Dawson was one of many large 4-, 5-, and 6-masted schooners which were built on the banks of the Kennebec River in Maine around the turn of the century. These huge wooden vessels were almost universally employed in the coastal trade, and the principal part of these was coal from Virginia to New England. The Bertha L. Dawson was launched in 1908, and after some 10 years in the lumber and coal trade, was sold to Danish owners and renamed Atlas, and, like a number of her contemporaries, was able to make a profitable living through the 1920s and 30s. She was finally broken up in 1950 in Germany after 42 years' work under 5 flags. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.